guys, welcome back to our channel. Lily, say hi to the camera. As you can see in the title, today we're going to be trying the TikTok viral semi-permanent lashes. Full discretion, I have done them before, so although it's not my first time trying, I am an expert. Lily, do you have any final words before we leave? Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands, then show you the tools that I'm gonna be using. These are the lashes I have from TikTok shop. I will put them in the description, and all we need is literally a mirror, the glue that it comes with, which is semi-permanent, and it has the bond on one side, and the seal which we finish off with, which you will see. But I don't even have tweezers, so literally all I have to do this tutorial is in my hands. If I can do this without a pair of tweezers, you can do it too. The lash map we're going to be going with today, a dolly eye look on the shorter side. I want to keep it professional, you know, keep it. Obviously, make sure your eyelashes are clean, and let's zoom in and get going. I'm just going to show you guys from a little bit below, because this is where I hold the mirror. To look at my eyelashes while I'm sticking them on, I hold it just below my eye line, like this. The eyelashes are basically going to be going underneath the lash line as opposed to on top, like regular strip lashes. Okay, so let's get started. First step is the bond. Some people do the eyelashes in sections of where you're placing the extension, and some people like me just put the bonding glue on the whole eyelash. It comes like this when you take it out. So it's really quite accurate, and I love that. I feel like it doesn't really dry down until you seal it, so I would just go ahead and put it on the whole eyelash like this. Literally like mascara. We've done it before, haven't we? You kind of want to coat every lash at the base. I think it doesn't matter so much the top of the lashes, but I like to do it because we're going for a shorter lash map. You can see the length of the lashes on the side, and because we're going for a shorter lash map, I think I'm going to go to a maximum of 14 on the outer and middle. So let's start with a 14. So you can use tweezers. When I do use tweezers, I just grab it like that with the tweezer. I can do the same thing with my fingers. Obviously with the mirror right underneath my eye, I've got a pretty good view of my whole waterline and lash line, and we're going to place it not on the eye, just where your eyelash meets your eyelid. Oh, watch till the end of this video for the lash map. So next I'm going in with a 12 because I'm going for a dolly look. I'm alternating the lash sizes, spacing them out reasonably. I'm not going for a super full look. And that was the 12, basically the same size as my natural lashes period. And we're gonna go out in with another 14 of the mirror from your view, because it is directly underneath my eye. Nice, it's very subtle, but I think it's nice for like the professional workplace and stuff. And I just got a new job. Next, we're going to do one more 12 inch. And again, it's been like 5 minutes since I applied the glue, and it's not dry yet until I seal that out. So this is no rush. You can take your time. And I also press it into the glue to make sure it's properly stuck. When I do have tweezers, I squeeze them. Okay, and final lash on the inner eye. I don't like to go too far in just because that can be very irritating. Obviously with tweezers this is a lot easier. I just do not pack my bags effectively. And so this is the first eye, and again it's very understated. The lash mat is 14, 12, 14, 12, 10. But I think it's cute. It's very, I woke up like this. What do we think about this wig? I'm actually not convinced, to be honest. I feel like I look like George Washington. It's like washing me out. I'm sure with makeup it might look okay if I like tan my face up. But anyway, I'm gonna go do the other eye, then we're gonna get to sealing them. Okay, so same steps as before. I'm going to speed through this one. Enjoy the montage. feel like the angle you put it on sometimes does change the vibe. Like, okay, so that is it. I'm gonna seal it in now with the seal side, and that literally took me like under 15 minutes. I want to say 10. This is going to take me literally 2 seconds. You can watch it in real time, and then we're going to be done. So it's like applying mascara, same thing. You just go where you applied the glue. Obviously I did it on my whole eyelash, but we're focusing on the base where the extension has been stuck, and I like to go on top as well. It's quite oil based, but honestly you can be a bit messy with this one. It's clear and the residue does come off. No, but for when this came out on TikTok, it had everyone thinking they were professional lash artists. I know the lash artists were angry. I was angry as someone who learned individuals. And the pain of doing your own individuals is so not worth it. When these came out, they were a game changer. Game changer. I'll link them, they're amazing. And I just feel like it does completely brighten my face up. Like, cause there was me thinking I need makeup. Girl, no. Tiny 10-inch, 14-inch lashes, and I'm already feeling better. Easier, is as it should do. We put, you know, as women, we put so much effort into our looks and so much time into our hair. So I just think anything that makes my life easier and allows me to spend less time looking in the mirror in the morning, especially now that I have a new job. I am not trying to be doing the most at 7 in the morning. Let's be so for real. I want to be ready in half an hour, 10-minute shower, 10-minute hair, 10-minute makeup, that's it. And if I can have semi-permanent lashes in under 10 minutes, that's one step closer. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. It was just a quick one, but I think, you know, we're multifaceted over here, as you can tell from this channel being a mess. So if you want more random content of myself, I might teach you a thing or two. I might play some Fortnite, or we might hike a mountain, you know. All of those videos are linked in the description. I am not exaggerating, and see you next time.